Hello, welcome to the GeoTools demo set video. My name is Rakesh Rao and I am from DesignSense Software Technologies. I am pleased to announce to you that we have now created a complete demo set for all GeoTools commands. Well, not all, but most of them. This is the URL where you can find the demo set, and if you browse through this page, you can see that the files are arranged category wise with proper titles, a download link and a video link. At the moment we don't have much of a video link, but the download links and the tile and the DWG tooltips are all working fine. So you can see that the files are numbered from 01, 02, 03 and so on, and it's followed by the command name. For example, gt underscore triangulate is the tool for triangulation, and if you hover the mouse on it, you can see a tooltip which quickly explains what this command does. Clicking here will allow you to download the data file as a DWG file, and you can see that in the case of commands which require an input data, those files are also provided here. For example, there's a CSV file here for the impex command. There are some text files also, some INI files and so on. So you can now try and test your GeoTools commands using realistic data by visiting this page. So if you have seen some of the GeoTools videos or have seen the demo from us and want to try test some of these commands, this is a great asset where you can come and download some meaningful files. Once you open these files, you will also find instructions on how to access the tools and where to find them on the menu, and this will make your process of GeoTools discovery much easier. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.